Christian stakeholders have called for unity among the body of Christ and intensified prayers for Nigeria amid growing insecurity challenges, stressing the need to work with government efforts in line with biblical teachings. The call came ahead of the 6-day Greater Crusade with Kumuyi, GCK, an international evangelical program scheduled to hold in Abuja, with major crusade sessions on June 24th to 29th at the Deeper Life Church headquarters and the Moshood Abiola National Stadium. Speaking at a press briefing to herald the event, the state overseer of Deeper Life Bible Church, FCT, Pastor Edison Daminabo, says the crusade would offer salvation, healing, deliverance and breakthrough to participants. Daminabo noted that the program, which began in Abuja in 2021 and has grown into a global outreach, is expected to spark spiritual revival and national transformation.
The world back to shape. The world now is shapeless. It's collapsing. Crisis, scarcity, hunger, globally. That's why it's coming to project the mind of God from FCT. The capital of Nigeria will be in crisis. So the church is doing more than this infrastructure, this foundation, with prayer, with God, the owner of the world. So if you disconnect with the church, you disconnect with life and development and prosperity and progress. So the church backs the government, if you like, as a substructure, as a foundation to guide them, to pray for them, to make them think right. That's Jehovah. You need that. You don't need God. You need that power from above that destabilizes guns, machine guns, submarines, jets, scatter them. But when you have Jehovah, Jesus in you, you are secured. Without this, crusade means a vanguard to impact government. That's why you bring progress, bring development.
Stakeholders expressed confidence that the crusade would usher in restoration for Nigeria through prayer, faith, and renewed commitment to godly values.